So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your iPhone just keeps going through and doesn't download any applications that you're trying to download within it. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing that we recommend doing is to go ahead and check your internet connection. All you're going to want to do is make sure that your internet connection is good, because if it's not, that's going to be the main problem you're going to run into. So go through and double check your internet connection. So if you're not able to download any applications, if they're not fully installing, try going through checking your Wi-Fi, your data, whatever you have, and you want to make sure that doesn't cause any problems or that's not causing the issues. Another thing you could try doing as well is to restart your phone. So all you're going to want to do here is hold down the volume up and the side button at the same time. Get into your slide to power off panel, slide the power off your device, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Simply just scrolling through and kind of just sliding the power off can end up fixing the problem too. If that's still not working, you can also double check the amount of storage you have saved up on your iPhone. If you're almost running out of storage, well, that might be the problem that you're running into here. So go and test out of your iPhone settings like this. You want to go and scroll down until you see your general settings, click on iPhone storage, and then you want to go ahead and basically scroll through and kind of, if you're almost running out of storage, you might want to go through and clear out of some storage on your device. You might want to do some things like that, because this can also be kind of a problem that you might be running into there too. So try doing those things. If none of those things end up working, you can also try signing out of your app store and try signing back in. So make your way back into your settings, click on your Apple account at the very top. You want to click on media and purchases, and then you want to click sign out, and then you want to give it a minute, sign back in, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. So hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.